How to use steam cleaner in bathroom. Alright guys, so your first step would be to prepare your steam cleaner by filling the steam cleaner with water and allowing it to heat up according to the instructions. So only use clean water with no chemicals to achieve a good startup. And then once you're done, you can now begin clearing the area by removing items like toiletry, rugs, and anything that could get in the way. And then you now begin cleaning the tiles and grout areas by using the nozzle or brush attachments to clean tiles and grout lines. Move slowly to break down dirt and mold, that way keeping your toilet clean. And then once you're done, you can then begin cleaning your sink and faucet by using the steam to clean the sink and faucet to remove buildup and bacteria. Now, once you're done here, you could simply sanitize your toilet by using the steam carefully around the toilet to sanitize its surfaces. And then once you're done, you can now clean your glass and mirrors by using a steam attachment to clean the glass doors and mirrors without streaks. And then for a final touch, you can now begin wiping the surface dry. After steaming, just wipe the surface with a clean cloth to remove loosened dirt and open your windows and turn on the fan to let moisture dry quickly. Alright guys,